Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे 100 important September month current affair MCQ. Let's start the video. 1. The Union Cabinet, chaired by PM Narendra Modi, has approved the proposal for the conduct of third batch of ascending e-auctions for channels in 234 new cities with an estimated reserve price of 784.87 crore rupees. A. 720. B. 230. C. 730. D. 1000. Answer. C. 730. 2. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved how many new Greenfield Industrial Smart Cities under the National Industrial Corridor Development Programme, NICDP, to transform the country's industrial landscape? A. 8. B. 18. C. 12. D. 15. Answer. C. 12. 3. What was India's rank in the 17th Global Innovation Index 2024? A. 35th. B. 39th. C. 40th. D. 42nd. Answer. B. 39th. 4. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has officially opened the new National Cricket Academy, NCA, named BCCI Centre of Excellence in which city? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. D. Kochi. Answer. C. Bengaluru. 5. Gulveer Singh, who was seen in the news in September 2024 for achieving a remarkable achievement, is associated with which of the following sport? A. Table tennis. B. Archery. C. Shooting. D. Athletic. Answer. D. Athletic. 6. Where is the 8th edition of the India-Kazakhstan Joint Military Exercise Kazan-2024 being held? A. Pithogarh. B. Almora. C. Bucklow. D. Oli. Answer. D. Oli. 7. In September 2024, which e-commerce giant has signed an MoU with the Ministry of Labour and Employment to leverage the National Career Service, NCS, portal which aimed at enhancing job accessibility by allowing Amazon and its staffing agencies to post open job positions on the NCS platform? A. Flipkart. B. Meesho. C. Amazon. D. Snapdeal. Answer. C. Amazon. 8. A World Heart Day is celebrated annually on 29 September. What is the theme of World Heart Day? A. Use heart for every heart. B. Use heart for together heart. C. Use heart to connect. D. Use heart for action. Answer. D. Use heart for action. 9. On the occasion of World Tourism Day, which ministry has launched a national responsible tourism initiative titled Paryatan Mitra and Paryatan Didi? A. Ministry of Road Transport and Highway. B. Ministry of Home Affairs. C. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. D. Ministry of Tourism. Answer. D. Ministry of Tourism. 10. In September 2024, the Reserve Bank of India organized a day-long conference for the directors of small finance banks, SFBs, in Bengaluru. What was the theme of this conference? A. Digital Public Infrastructure, DPI, and Emerging Technologies. B. Governance, Cybersecurity, and Financial Inclusion. C. Protecting the consumers, building robust systems and procedures. D. Governance in SFBs driving sustainable growth and stability. Answer. D. Governance in SFBs driving sustainable growth and stability. 11. In September 2024, Which country has been elected to the 15-member steering committee of the Globe Network following a multi-stage voting process during a plenary session in Beijing? A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. Bhutan. Answer B. India. 12. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated Oxygen Bird Park, Amrit Mahotsav Park, along the Nagpur-Hyderabad National Highway 44. Oxygen Bird Park, Amrit Mahotsav Park, is an eco-initiative developed by A. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. B. Border Roads Organization. C. Gujarat Metro Rail Corporation Limited. D. National Highways Authority of India. Answer D. National Highways Authority of India. 13. Which bank has unveiled its corporate credit card suite designed specifically for startups within the new economy group? Negative. A. ICICI Bank. B. IDBI Bank. C. State Bank of India. D. Axis Bank. Answer D. Axis Bank. 14. Kamal Chawla, who was seen in the news in September 2024 for achieving a remarkable achievement, is associated with which of the following sports? A. Snooker. B. Squash. C. Archery. D. Shooting. Answer A. Snooker. 15. Who has been appointed as chairman of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank? A. Parveen Kumar Gupta. B. KVS Manian. C. Vincent Menacheri Devasi. D. Muthu Swami Iyer. Answer A. Parveen Kumar Gupta. 16. In September 2024, which bank has launched new updates to its Smart Wealth app, introducing features aimed at making investments simpler? A. Indian Bank. B. IDBI Bank. C. State Bank of India. D. HDFC Bank. Answer D. HDFC Bank. 17. In September 2024, India has signed a bilateral investment treaty, BIT, with which among the following countries to assures the appropriate protection for the investors of both countries? A. Kazakhstan. B. Uzbekistan. C. Azerbaijan. D. Turkmenistan. Answer B. Uzbekistan. 18. How many villages were awarded under the second Best Tourism Villages Competition 2024? A. 25. B. 36. C. 48. D. 72. Answer B. 36. 19. Recently, in September 2024, the central government has announced an increase in minimum wage rates by revising the variable dearness allowance. The new wage rates will take effect from A. 1st October 2024. B. 1st July 2024. C. 1st March 2024. D. 1st January 2025. Answer of 1st October 2024. 20. World Tourism Day is observed every year on 27 September. What is the theme of World Tourism Day? A. Tourism and green investments. B. Tourism and peace. C. Rethinking tourism. D. Tourism and rural development. Answer B. Tourism and peace. 21. Which country will host the World Telecommunications Standardization Assembly, WTSA, from 14 to 24 October 2024? A. India. B. Japan. C. USA. D. France. Answer A. India. 22. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court recently? A. Justice Manmohan. B. Justice Rajiv Shakdhar. C. Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee. D. Justice Suresh Kat. Answer A. Justice Manmohan. 23. In September 2024, Moody's revised its calendar year CY 2024 growth forecast for India to how much percent from its earlier estimates of 6.8% in June, as it expects growth in the Asia-Pacific region to outpace the global economy? A. 7.0%. B. 7.1%. C. 7.2%. D. 7.3%. Answer B. 7.1%. 24. In September 2024, the Controller and Auditor General, CAG, of India assumed chairmanship of the Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institutions, ASOSAI, for A. 2024 to 2025. B. 2024 to 2026. C. 2024 to 2027. D. 2024 to 2028. Answer C. 2024 to 2027. 25. Which state government has launched the CM SAT scheme to boost the educational prospects of the state's brightest students? A. Sikkim. B. Assam. C. Tripura. D. Meghalaya. Answer C. Tripura. 26. In September 2024, which tribal community from Odisha became the sixth particularly vulnerable tribal group, PVTG, to receive habitat rights under the Forest Rights Act, 2006, a landmark legislation that grants legal recognition to forest-dwelling communities? A. Bonda. B. Gond. C. Gadba. D. Mankidia. Answer D. Mankidia. 27. Who has launched India-specific fashion trend book, Paridhi 24x25, a bilingual web portal of Visio NXT and the AI taxonomy e-book? A. Nitin Gadkari. B. Amit Shah. C. Giriraj Singh. D. Narendra Modi. Answer C. Giriraj Singh. 28. Antyodaya Divas is celebrated every year on 25th September across the country. The day marks the birth anniversary of to remember his life and legacy. A. Syama Prasad Mukherjee. B. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. C. Vinoba Bhave. D. Jayaprakash Narayan. Answer B. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya. 29. World Environmental Health Day is observed every year on which day? A. 24th September. B. 25th September. C. 26th September. D. 27th September. Answer C. 26th September. 30. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, together with researchers of which IITs has developed lightweight bulletproof jackets, named Abed, Advanced Ballistics for High Energy Defeat, which offer 360-degree protection. A. IIT Madras. B. IIT Kanpur. C. IIT Delhi. D. IIT Kharagpur. Answer C. IIT Delhi. 31. India's Jeevan Neduchezhia and Vijay Sundar Prashant, who was seen in the news in September 2024 for achieving a remarkable achievement, are associated with which of the following sport? A. Badminton. B. Chess. C. Tennis. D. Basketball. Answer C. Tennis. 32. According to the Asian Power Index Report 2024, released recently by the Australian think tank Lowy Institute, India is ranked the third most powerful country in Asia. Which is the most powerful country in Asia? A. Russia. B. UK. C. USA. D. China. Answer C. USA. 33. In September 2024, which company signed an MoU with the Rubber Research Institute of India, RRII, to enhance research on using rubber process oils in tire and non-tire rubber products? A. Hindustan Petroleum. B. Indian Oil Corporation. C. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. D. Steel Authority of India Limited. Answer B. Indian Oil Corporation. 34. In September 2024, Tata Steel commissioned India's largest blast furnace with a volume of 5,870 square meters as part of its 27,000 crore rupees phase 2 expansion at which of the following places? A. Jamnagar, Gujarat. B. Kalinganagar, Odisha. C. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. D. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Answer B. Kalinganagar, Odisha. 35. A Women in Space Leadership Program, VSLP, was launched by in collaboration with the British Council as part of the UK-India Education and Research Initiative, UKERI. A. DRDO. B. Niti Aayog. C. ISRO. D. Department of Science and Technology. Answer D. Department of Science and Technology. 36. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, has approved a $50 million loan to improve water resources management, access to water, and community resilience to the effects of climate change in which state of India? A. Meghalaya. B. Mizoram. C. Manipur. D. Maharashtra. Answer A. Meghalaya. 37. In September 2024, who among the following won the Miss Universe India 2024 title? A. Urvashi Rautela. B. Chhavi Varg. C. Anshika Singh. D. Riya Singha. Answer D. Riya Singha. 38. In September 2024, Pratyasha Ray was awarded the prestigious 32nd Eklavya Puraskar for her remarkable achievements. She belongs to which of the following sports? A. Football. B. Archery. C. Table tennis. D. Swimming. Answer D. Swimming. 39. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated which edition of the Indian Coast Guard Commanders Conference in New Delhi? A. 39th. B. 40th. C. 41st. D. 42nd. Answer C. 41st. 40. The Centre has constituted a committee to formulate a framework for the repairability index in the mobile and electronics sector. Who will chair this committee? A. Nidhi Khatri. B. Sunil Bajpayee. C. Sanjay Agrawal. D. Bharat Khera. Answer D. Bharat Khera. 41. In September 2024, S&P Global Ratings retained India's growth forecast at, while also forecasting that the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, might implement a rate cut in October 2024. A. 6.5%. B. 6.6%. C. 6.7%. D. 6.8%. Answer D. 6.8%. 42. Who has been appointed as the Chief of National Crime Records Bureau, NCRB? A. Vijwal Kumar. B. Praveer Ranjan. C. Vivek Gogia. D. Alok Ranjan. Answer D. Alok Ranjan. 43. In September 2024, which of the following countries partnered with India to establish its first ever national security semiconductor fabrication plant, designed to manufacture infrared, gallium nitride, and silicon carbide chips for military hardware and next-generation telecommunications? A. USA. B. France. C. Germany. D. Japan. Answer A. USA. 65. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB? A. Anurag Garg. B. Santosh Kashyap. C. Anshika Verma. D. Tayyab Ikram. Answer A. Anurag Garg. 66. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has approved the reappointment of V. Vaidyanathan as MD and CEO of IDFC First Bank for how many years? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 3 months. Answer C. 3 years. 67. Which small finance bank has launched a comprehensive solution, Liquid Plus, fixed deposit with attractive interest rate of 6.75% PA for tenures ranging from 7 to 180 days? A. AU Small Finance Bank Limited. B. Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. C. Suryoday Small Finance Bank. D. Jana Small Finance Bank. Answer. D. Jana Small Finance Bank. 68. The Union Cabinet chaired by PM Narendra Modi has approved the proposal of Ministry of Heavy Industries, MHI, for implementation of a scheme titled PM Electric Drive Revolution in Innovative Vehicle Enhancement, PM eDrive, scheme for promotion of electric mobility in the country. The scheme has an outlay of 10,900 crore rupees over A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. Answer B. 2 years. 69. Deepali Thapa, who was seen in news in September 2024 for achieving a remarkable achievement, is associated with which of the following sport? A. Boxing. B. Weightlifting. C. Badminton. D. Archery. Answer A. Boxing. 70. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the India Defence Aviation Exposition, IDAX 24, in which city? A. Chennai. B. Jodhpur. C. Vishakhapatnam. D. Kochi. Answer B. Jodhpur. 71. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has approved Mission Mausam with an outlay of over 2 years. A. 1,000 crore rupees. B. 2,000 crore rupees. C. 3,000 crore rupees. D. 4,000 crore rupees. Answer B. 2,000 crore rupees. 72. In September 2024, India hosted edition of the Asia Pacific Ministerial Conference on Civil Aviation co-organized by the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, and the Ministry of Civil Aviation in New Delhi. A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer B. Second. 73. In September 2024, how many nurses were awarded the National Florence Nightingale Award by the President of India Draupadi Murmu? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 23. Answer B. 15. 74. In September 2024, the Competition Commission of India, CCI, approved the merger of Tata Motor Finance with Tata Capital, a merger announced in June 2024 that will see Tata Capital issue equity shares to this company, resulting in its holding a stake in the newly merged entity. A. 4.1%. B. 4.3%. C. 4.5%. D. 4.7%. Answer D. 4.7%. 75. In September 2024, which country has become the 101st country to join the International Solar Alliance ISA as a full member? A. Bhutan. B. Nepal. C. Sri Lanka. D. Afghanistan. Answer B. Nepal. 76. The government will launch the PAIR program designed to elevate research capabilities in higher education institutions, HEIs, by linking top-tier research institutions with those where research capability is limited, creating a collaborative mentorship environment. What is the meaning of P in PAIR program? A. Performance. B. Partnerships. C. Photogrammetry. D. Prescriptive. Answer B. Partnerships. 77. Which IIT has signed an MoU with the National Health Authority, NHA, for development of digital public goods for AI in healthcare? A. IIT Guwahati. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Kanpur. D. IIT Bhubaneswar. Answer C. IIT Kanpur. 78. Which state will host the 4th Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet and Expo, Reinvest, from September 16th to 18th? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Answer B. Gujarat. 79. In September 2024, where was the first India-Gulf Cooperation Council joint ministerial meeting for strategic dialogue held? A. New Delhi, India. B. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. C. Manama, Bahrain. D. Muscat, Oman. Answer B. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. 80. In September 2024, who among the following was unanimously re-elected as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? A. Om Birla. B. Narendra Modi. C. Amit Shah. D. Rahul Gandhi. Answer C. Amit Shah. 81. In September 2024, which state government approved 33% reservation for women in the police force by deciding to amend the State Police Subordinate Service Rules, 1989? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Punjab. C. Haryana. D. Rajasthan. Answer D. Rajasthan. 82. In September 2024, which among the following union minister released the documentary film Mumbai Samachar 200 Not Out, which chronicles the remarkable 200-year journey of Asia's oldest newspaper? A. Amit Shah. B. S. Jaishankar. C. Ashwani Vaishnav. D. Nitin Gadkari. Answer A. Amit Shah. 83. Aryana Sabalenka, who won the women's singles title of the 2024 US Open Tennis Championship, belongs to which country? A. USA. B. Belarus. C. Italy. D. France. Answer B. Belarus. 84. On which day is the International Literacy Day observed? A. 7th September. B. 8th September. C. 9th September. D. 10th September. Answer C. 9th September. 85. 2026 Asian Games will be held in which country? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. Saudi Arabia. D. China. Answer B. Japan. 86. Moeen Ali has recently announced his retirement from international cricket. For which country did he play cricket? A. England. B. South Africa. C. Netherlands. D. Pakistan. Answer A. England. 87. Abdelmajid Tebboune has been re-elected as the president of which country? A. Algeria. B. Albania. C. Angola. D. Armenia. Answer A. Algeria. 88. In September 2024, senior bureaucrat Tuhin Kanta Pandey has been appointed as the new A. Revenue Secretary. B. Expenditure Secretary. C. Cabinet Secretary. D. Finance Secretary. Answer D. Finance Secretary. 89. Who has become the first Indian president of the Olympic Council of Asia, OCA? A. Nita Ambani. B. Jai Shah. C. P.T. Usha. D. Randhir Singh. Answer D. Randhir Singh. 90. In September 2024, SBI Foundation has launched which edition of its Asha Scholarship Program, supporting 10,000 meritorious students from underprivileged backgrounds? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer C. Third. 91. Which among the following has launched an online tool Dawa Suchak for depositors to track their claim status? A. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, DICOG. B. Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, BRBNMPL. C. Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, REBIT. D. Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, IFTAS. Answer. A Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, DICOG. 92. The Ministry of External Affairs, MIA, has appointed former Election Commissioner Arun Goyal as India's next ambassador to which country? A. Chad. B. Croatia. C. Cambodia. D. Canada. Answer. B. Croatia. 93. In September 2024, the Indian Army and Indian Air Force signed an MoU to enhance the skills and capability building of their personnel, and this monumental partnership towards further strengthening the logistics backbone of the armed forces in sync with the vision of Atmanirbharta in defense. A. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. B. National Highways Authority of India. C. Rail India Technical and Economic Service. D. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Answer. D. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. 94. In September 2024, Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi announced that the state's second AIIMS will be built in A. Cuttack. B. Bhubaneswar. C. Puri. D. Sambalpur. Answer. D. Sambalpur. 95. How many medals have been won by India at the 17th Paralympic Games in Paris? A. 29 medals, 7 gold, 8 silver, and 14 bronze. B. 29 medals, 8 gold, 8 silver, and 13 bronze. C. 29 medals, 8 gold, 9 silver, and 12 bronze. D. 29 medals, 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze. Answer. D. 29 medals, 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze. 96. Navdeep Singh won a gold in the men's javelin throw F41 class at Paris Paralympics 2024 with a new Paralympic record of A. 47.32 m. B. 48.32 m. C. 49.32 m. D. 50.32 m. Answer of 47. 32 m. 97. The Uttar Pradesh Forest Department has set up the first conservation and breeding center for the Asian king vulture in collaboration with whom? A. Bombay Natural History Society. B. Maritime History Society. C. Naturalese Foundation. D. Worldwide Fund for Nature India. Answer. A Bombay Natural History Society. 98. Where was the Jal Sanchay Jan Bhagidari initiative launched by the Prime Minister virtually in September 2024? A. Indore. B. Gandhinagar. C. Surat. D. Jaisalmer. Answer. C. Surat. 99. In September 2024, which Indian Navy's frontline warship participated in the 22nd edition of India-France bilateral exercise Varuna in the Mediterranean Sea? A. INS Satpura. B. INS Sahyadri. C. INS Suvarna. D. INS Tabar. Answer. D. INS Tabar. 100. India has carried out a successful launch of an intermediate-range ballistic missile, Agni-4, from the Integrated Test Range at Chandipur in Odisha. The Agni missiles are long-range ballistic missiles developed by India. A. Surface-to-surface. B. Surface-to-air. C. Air-to-surface. D. Air-to-air. Answer. A surface-to-surface. फ्रेंड यही है 100 करंट अफेयर MCQ। फ्रेंड्स, आपको हमारी वीडियो नॉलेजेबल लगी तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट करो एंड हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ न्यू वीडियोज। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।